Hey, good evening, everyone. So, out of all the tickers, GC is looking bullish. Silver is also bullish. NKD is very bearish. If we get a pullback on GC, then we can go long on GC. We're waiting for a pullback on GC because it went all the way to the top of the band. Better if we get a pullback and if we see a green candle, then we can go long. We'll add one position now. We'll take a small profit on this. Because it's already at the top, better we wait for a pullback. If NKD goes all the way up and if we see a red candle, we can take short on NKD. And because NKD the momentum is bearish and then strength is very strong. That means it can go a little bit up and start dropping again. I'm taking a short on crude oil. Right? Crude oil and NKD both are very bearish, and it went all the way to the top. So mostly we should see a drop on crude oil. I took a short on crude oil. I'm taking a short on NKD. So I took short on crude oil, took short on NKD. And overall, for crude oil, score is minus 29. For NKD, it is minus 31. So because we got a pullback, right, bearish ticker, we want to wait for a rally and then take a short. So mostly NKD should drop all the way to the bottom. Taking profits on NKD. Yesterday, so in personal account we can hold NKD shorts, but in prop account, yesterday also we made nice profits and then we continued. So, okay, we have crude oil also. So here I took in personal account nearly $600. But we can hold in personal account, it can drop much further. So we saw that NKD, crude oil, both are most bearish stickers. Momentum is bearish, strength is strong. So because it went all the way from top to bottom to top, that is a good time to short it. Both crude oil and also NKD. So when it went all the way to the top, we shorted it. Yeah, Mangal, do you have any questions?
కిషోర్ గారు, యాక్చువల్గా గోల్డ్ నిన్న రాత్రి నుంచి షార్ట్ చేసి అలానే హోల్డ్ చేసి పెట్టుకున్నాను. ఆల్మోస్ట్ $5,000 లాస్లో ఉన్నాను ఒక కాంట్రాక్ట్కి. అది క్లోజ్ చేద్దామా అని చెప్పేసి వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను. మీరు ఏమంటారు? అది హోల్డ్ చేయమంటారా, క్లోజ్ చేసేయమంటారా? అది
If you have a big account size, you can hold it. If you the overall, yeah, metal, both silver, gold, they moved so much. So definitely there should be a reversal because this also near the high of the day. So definitely there should be a reversal.
ఎందుకంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ 5,000 లాస్లో ఉంది ఇంకా.
సో జనరల్గా వాట్ యూ కెన్ అంటే మీరు ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే పడుకునే ముందు యూ టేక్ ఎంజీసీ ఇన్ ద ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్. ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ టుక్ ఎస్టర్డే ఈవినింగ్ బిఫోర్ స్లీపింగ్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఎంజీసీ ఇన్ ద పర్సనల్ అకౌంట్ then minimum it will right one will keep making profits. So you take profits when MGC goes all the way to the top, you can take profits on the MGC. So for example, you took a GC short, suddenly it started going up, you take MGC long. When it goes all the way to the top, you take profits on the MGC long. Then whenever you see the sell signal, either you can add one more contract or minimum you can so your account will not get into a liquidation mode or something. So don't enter long at the top, but whenever it comes to a support, you keep adding MGC. In that way, for example, you got one GC mini, then you can take 15 MGC long.
అంటే ఇది
Whenever
నా పర్సనల్ అకౌంట్ అనమాట అది.
అదే personal account అయినా కూడా, so minimum you will be making profit. Whenever MGC goes up, you take profits. And again, when you get a sell signal, you take MGC short. So while your GC is, you are waiting for GC to pull back, you can keep taking on both the sides. Or you can take NKD short, that will compensate the GC loss. NKD should come all the way to this 44,900.
ఓకే. అంటే జీసీ యాక్చువల్గా 2 days నుంచి బాగా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, పుల్ బ్యాక్ లేదు అసలు. సిల్వర్ గోల్డ్ బోత్ did not have see any pullback actually.
Right, yeah, they are going without even a, yeah. Generally that won't happen, but yeah, they are going like anything. So this one, right, NKD is making nice profits, $900 in the personal account.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్స్.
Yeah. As of now, we are just holding crude oil. In personal account, we can hold NKD short, but Yeah, RC, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore, like in the morning, what is the best time of US hours? Like in the
For
night,
prop
before
for prop
8 to
firm
10.
trading,
Yeah, apart from trading, yeah.
generally, if there are no major events, you can do from 6 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Central. That is the best time.
6 to
So just
8:30 exactly.
yeah, if there are any events, better you close before 7:30. If generally 7:30, some days you'll see you'll have these payroll reports, all those things. So if there is any event, so yeah, yesterday we initially we made nice profits, but we kept on going, so that's where we had to take loss with silver GC. But yeah, today again the same thing, right? You look at any bullish or bearish. If you see bearish at the top, they are the good ones. Or if you see bullish at the bottom, they are the good opportunities. So today HG, GC, silver, natural gas, all these are bullish. So if you see them at the bottom, you can go long on them. NKD and crude oil, they are bearish tickers. So it came down, went to the top. So that is the best opportunity to take shots.
Okay. And the night, it will be like 8 to 10 CST, right?
Yeah, generally 8 to 9:30. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Kishore.
sure. AB, do you have any questions?
Hey Kishore, for crude oil, why are we saying it's bearish, right? It says RSI is 56, right? I know
Yeah,
this
but score
what
is overall minus 29. RSI can suddenly change. So it can go below 50. But overall, it is minus 29 and it is at the bottom. So yeah, definitely it will drop.
Oh, okay. So we don't look at the RSI. Like I usually look at the RSI as well.
Yeah, yeah, but overall it went to the top, so it should drop.
Okay. And I see a lot of buy orders near that, right? So I'm just wondering that it will go up, right, or not. Crude oil, I think if you open the price first, right, there's a lot of buy orders below that.
We can take some small profits. So I shorted it 63.12. Yeah, because there are some buy orders, it already came to the bottom. Just trying to take small profits on.
And Kishore, one quick question, right? Did you do the training on that trader for personal account for brokerage firm? Something you were saying that you're doing.
I did it 2 days before, but I'll do one more time tomorrow. Basically, while taking the trades, I'm showing how to enter a butterfly, how to enter. But yeah, tomorrow I'll do it again during live session.
Yeah, I mean, like I may not be able to attend. If you can record that, it'll be great.
Yeah, it will be part of that live sessions because
Okay,
it is just a 5-10 minutes. Yeah, there is not much to just we have to right click and then it will ask you whether you want to do 2 leg, 3 leg, 4 leg. If you want to do bull puts or bear calls, you will select 2 leg. If you want to do butterfly, you will select 3 leg. If you want to do short iron fly, you will select 4 leg.
got it. Okay, sure. Thanks.
Yeah, sure. Do you have any question?
Yeah, for the NKD, can you please go to the NKD? There is no confluence, right, to why you took the shot? Because it is showing long, right?
If you see MPF,
There is no T5 confluence. Basically, I look mostly the T5 and the bottom.
we have minus 31.
Right.
and then it went to the top. Generally, whenever it is a bearish ticker, it's core minus 31. Whenever it goes up and you see a red candle, it can drop it.
Okay.
కిషోర్ గారు, గోల్డ్ కి ఏమైనా రేంజెస్ ఉన్నాయండి? ఇది ఇప్పుడు 1 hour లో కానీ అట్లా చూస్తే 79 టాప్ అన్నట్లుంది. Do you see any ranges that keep on breaking out every range actually?
Yeah, as of now, we cannot see any sellers. 15 minutes.
Mostly seems a big start squeeze ఉన్నట్టుంది బాగా.
As of now, still we cannot see any sellers for GC. It is still looking bullish. Yeah, because it moves so much, it is difficult to go long and also difficult to go short.
అదే ఎటు అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
Yeah, it moves long, but overall it is very, very bullish in all time frames. If we see sellers, we can confidently short, but yeah, there are no sellers at any point.
అంటే యూరోపియన్ మార్కెట్ అట్లా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమన్నా మేబీ ప్రాఫిట్ టేకింగ్ ఉంటుంది అంటారా ఇన్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్?
Yeah, there will be a pullback. It will come all the way to 38.64. But so it is better whenever you get a pullback, you go long rather than trying to short it.
ఓకే.
If it comes all the way to 38.64, then again it will move up.
Kishore, are you working on that swing sell, swing buy alert? That is.
Yeah, but as I said, like it is a dynamic one, so that's the problem. So the indicator alert is not working right. But yeah, I'll continue to work on that.
Okay. If I set it, it is triggering for the interval, like every time.
Right, yeah. Yeah, so we made nearly final. So we took GC long. We quickly took profits based on yesterday's experience, and then we made nice profits on NKD with the prop account. We can hold in the personal account overnight. and then we took small profits with crude oil. Yeah, because it came and now it is in the choppy window. It may keep going up and down for some time. If it breaks this, then it will go up. Until that time, 63.25. But yeah, it is at a discount zone, so we cannot hold it overnight. Yeah, Kirti, do you have any question?
Yeah, Kishore. So GC monthly touched almost 90 RSI, and weekly also it's too much, and the daily time frame everything is 75. All time frame is overbought area. Everything is overbought, huge
Yeah,
upside. So
that is right. But as of now, we cannot see any big companies trying to sell it. So that there are no sell orders in any time, right? If you see 5 minutes, it
okay,
is at premium, but there are no sellers.
correct.
If you say
But
fifty,
in overall history, monthly GC never went 90.
yeah,
It's happened long back, like in 1980s.
that is right. Yeah, because of the government shutdown news, all those things. Yeah, big players are trying to go long on GC. But yeah, it never. That's where we yesterday also I expected that silver and GC can do a pullback, but they dropped and suddenly they started bouncing and yeah, they continued
So,
to go up.
so now, um, okay.
Generally, once RSI or momentum goes above 80 in 1 hour or daily, generally there should be a big drop. But yeah, this is they continue to go up both
Yeah,
GCs
they
and
will continue to go up. Can any prediction like how long it will go up and when the reversal will happen? Surely reversal will happen, but when the reversal will happen? Any suggestion?
so for silver minimum we can see some sellers here, right? 47.24 and 47. So 47.265 is a strong resistance for silver. We can
Okay,
see some sellers, but for GC as of now, we cannot see any sellers.
okay, but okay, some point it will reverse, right? If it is reverse, it will drastically reverse. Is my understanding is right, or how it will works because it's all overbought area. So how we handle, how we play in overbought area?
So it will come all the way till here, 38.51, where you have next buyers are here. So if it starts dropping, then it may come all the way to
No, no,
38.
no. Yeah, yeah, correct. No, no. I'm overall asking, like overall market understanding of gold. I'm just trying to understand what is your perspective because it's all overbought area. So,
So that's what,
like,
until some big companies come and try to sell it, because only they can move the markets big, right? Small retail traders, whatever we do, we buy one contract, two contracts, and it won't change much. But when
okay,
the big companies come and put a big sell order block, then only there will be. So as of now, we cannot see any sell blocks in 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. And because it is at a all-time high, right? If already some time back, if it went up, then we know what can be the resistance where it can reverse. But when something is at all-time high, it is difficult to predict at what time. Only based on yeah, RSI is above 77, 70. Generally, they should, but yeah, sometimes they can even go to 80, 85, 90 also.
okay,
But yeah, whenever it reverses, it will come all the way to 38.52.
okay. Fine. Thank you.
Yeah, AB, do you have any questions? Yeah, Sanoj, do you have any questions?
Previously, you mentioned that gold to relation with, I think, NKD, correct? Nikkei.
Yeah,
So
NKD is an in a Japan index. So
now you
NK
mentioned, yeah, correct. You mentioned that
they
gold.
during night time. Gold, silver, NKD, Generally, they move during Asia market.
Okay.
But
No,
yeah,
but you mentioned when gold short, then NKD long, that relation, can you little bit highlight?
yeah, generally indices and metals will be inversely proportional. Generally, if gold and silver are going up, then ES, NQ, and KD they will go. If these are going up, they will come down. If metals are going down, they will go up most of
Okay.
the time.
Okay. And for the prop account, what need to do to trade, like to give the test, or what is, because it got approved. So what is the next step?
Basically, you connect it in the trading view, and then yeah, you take the trades. Just like now we took NKD and
Okay, so that will connect to that account, or we need to log into that prop account and do the trade? How does it?
yeah, one you can connect to that prop account from trading view itself. You click on trade await. You go
Ah,
to the trading panel, click on trade await, and you give the credentials. You
hmm,
take Profit Trader website, you'll see your credentials. You have to give that username and password. Once you give that username password, then directly whatever trades you take here, they will get copied into your account, into your
okay.
Take Profit Trader account.
And it is not, yeah, in the afternoon we did set up, you did it. And it is not opening on the multi window, like one more window, it's saying you cannot see the code, only one window it is. Is it
Yeah,
any restriction?
yeah. Generally, one brokerage you can connect in one tab. You can in one tab you can connect to Ninja Trader. One tab you can connect to TradeAway.
Okay,
Like that, in each tab you can connect to one different broker.
okay,
So you just change the tickers here. If you want to do something else, instead of going to a different tab, you can just change whichever you want to trade. You just go and change this, and then you can take the trades.
thank you.
Yeah, Ramesh, do you have any questions?
Sure, NQD is still holding in the personal. In between, I was away, so I don't know. I took
Yeah,
an.
yeah. I'm planning to hold it overnight. That should drop minimum 100, 150 points overnight. Yeah, I'm holding NKD short. PG, do you have any questions?
Yes, Kishore Garu. For this personal account, right? If you want to trade in futures, how much what should be the size of the account?
That's what. If you have around 15,000, you can trade one mini contract.
Okay.
1 to 2 mini contracts you can trade for the same day. If you want to hold for more than a day, you can trade one contract. If
Okay.
you have 5,000, then you can do micros. You can do 3, 4 MNQ, MES, MGC like that.
Okay.
So you don't need to have 25K for futures. There is no PDT rule for futures, and you can trade 20, 23 hours a day.
Okay. Thanks, Kishore Garu. Thank you.
Yeah. Sunil, do you have any questions?
Kishore garu, for NKD, we don't have a micro, right? We just have the.
Right. Yeah, we don't have a micro for anybody.
Okay. And for the crude oil, you think it will go all the way up to 63.02, where the 6303, 04?
We have some sellers here, 63.25.
Okay. So
Overall
it,
trend is bearish. 15 minutes, 1 hour, daily, everything is bearish. Because it came all the way down, it might do some reversal. Either it will
okay.
reverse from here or it may go to 63.3 and reverse again.
Okay. In the personal account, I'm holding the short for crude oil. That's why I wanted to know where the exit should be.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, if it comes all the way to 63, it will come to 62.98 sometime.
Okay.
And then grab the liquidity and then go up again. So at that time, you can take the profits.
Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah, generally Sunday evenings, sir, generally we have to avoid. Generally every Sunday evening we are taking losses in the prop accounts. So better if we avoid Sunday evening, volume will be very less. Yeah, US traders will not do any trading. Asia markets also will be little slow. So better from next Sunday if we don't trade on Sunday evening, because most of the other days we are making nice profits, but Sunday evening is where we are taking stop losses. So, yeah, AB, do you have any questions? Yeah, if not, yeah, we are just holding NKD in the personal account. In the prop account, we took the profits when it dropped all the way. So again, it should come to this 44,900 is our target. There are some sellers here, sellers here. Around 10, 15 minutes, 1 hour, everything is very bearish. Yeah, that's it, everyone. We'll continue tomorrow. So if you missed the training yesterday, just make sure you watch the training. So using our SPX indicator, we should be able to make 80 to 90% of the time. We should.
And
So now, yeah,
I sent one message to you. My T55 suddenly is not working.
yeah, I'll check and give you the
Yeah.
access.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. So earlier we used to have only one signal, and then whenever you get a buy signal, we used to do a bull put. But now I modified it so that we can take multiple trades whenever you get. If price goes all the way to the top of the band, and if we get bear calls, we can make profits with bear calls. Price goes all the way to the bottom, you get bull puts. Then you go 20 delta, you do the bull puts. So like that, yeah. So you can take
What
multiple.
is this one? Because I'm not seeing that. What
Yeah,
is this?
there is a different indicator.
Oh,
There is a SPX trade spread indicator.
okay.
So yeah, today we made nice profits with bear calls, bull puts, with iron fly, all those things. So we can continue tomorrow. We'll continue again making profits with SPX. So if you just focus on SPX, that is good enough. You don't need to look at so many tickers. Just by watching one ticker, you can do SPY, QQQ, SPX, different ones. Most of the time, SPY and QQQ will move in same direction. Today, QQQ was little bullish, got little bearish. Yeah. Good night, everyone. We'll continue tomorrow morning.